Jerry Mace, the Kickin lawyer. This is a little disclaimer sort of on DUI cases, okay? And so I've got many cases, obviously DUIs and all different fact patterns, but occasionally I have some that come through where the fact pattern is the defendant felt maybe they had too much to drink, right? So instead of driving around, they pull over and decide to sleep it off in their vehicle. Well, under Tennessee law, you can still get a DUI if you are inside the vehicle in physical possession of the vehicle. And some of them are like, well, what if I throw the keys out the window? Doesn't matter. If you're in the vehicle, in physical possession of the vehicle, and in near proximity of keys where you can crank it up and go away, that's a DUI. That potentially can be a DUI, right? Now, there's some ways that we can argue around that. Like sometimes I can argue the time span that's passed, maybe from when the person did have something to drink and the time they slept to when they wake them up, that now they're not impaired. And there's some other general defenses that we do like any other DUI case on it. But my point is, just because you pull over or throw the keys out the window or whatever and go to sleep it off, although I hate for the community to disfavor that, we don't want people to drink and drive. And if all of a sudden you feel like, oh man, I did have too much to drink, and you decide to do the right thing and stop, I hate for people to be penalized for that, but it is against the law. So it's still a potential DUI in the state of Tennessee if you pull over to sleep it off.